Hey, folks. We're seeing two different things that seem kind of unrelated, but a little related. And when you put them together, your gut tells you something's going on here. Doesn't seem right. Well, my gut has been telling me something after putting a few things together that I cannot tell you this is true. Okay? I can't. I have no proof, but things that I am seeing happening. Okay? And that is that I think meat in America is slowly being replaced with lab grown uh, beef, chicken, fish. Let me tell you why. Okay. So, you ever heard of the saying, two and two together? Well, I'm going to put three things together. And you can believe what you want. I'm not saying that I have any empirical proof that this is happening. I'm not trying to start a conspiracy theory, okay? But let's look at thing number one. I have been reading a lot, and they actually posted um, about the fact that they are able to make meat, chicken, fish, beef in laboratories from one cell. Okay, they take one cell. I don't know how the process works. I'm not a scientist or any kind of biologist or anything like that. But, and from that, they are able to grow beef, chicken, and fish from one cell. Okay? Now, the way they do that is to take that one cell and trick it into not doing what it normally does. Normally, a cell will replicate itself, maybe 1, 2, 3 times, whatever, and then after that, it dies. Okay, but they have been able to trick these cells into just keep on replicating. Okay, over and over and over and over again. Um, the only cells I know that do that are cancer cells, but let's just forget about that and move on. Second thing is, I've been noticing a lot on the internet. People showing meat that they've bought, and they go, "This just doesn't feel right," and they peel it apart. It just doesn't look like chicken, say. And then they say it doesn't taste quite right either. Okay, so that's number two. Number three, I have seen 3 articles today about chicken processing plants that are closing down. They're firing everybody. And I don't understand when, how if we need chicken in society, it's like, I think it's the number one, food. Why would they close down the plants? It doesn't make any sense to me. So we know they can make beef, chicken, and fish in a laboratory. 2, people are saying, this is weird meat we're getting now. I don't know if you've noticed it or not. And number 3, that they're closing down the plants that process the chickens. And anyway, so I'm just telling you, take it or leave it. But look at your meat. We are talking about food in the U.S. that is just loaded with stuff, and that these big food corporations are doing everything they can to maximize profit. And if you eliminate the chicken and the cows and the fish from the process of providing chicken, meat, and fish, you are going to save a lot. You are going to save a lot. And it's easier to control and run if you don't have certain things that are, that stop the production or slow the production down based on animals, like the chickens. There was a bird flu that you had to eliminate all those chickens. Caused the eggs to go up. Well, you don't need those chickens anymore for making chicken meat. So, anyway. That's all I got to say about this. But you might consider buying your chicken, beef, and fish from a local market that uses, that you are positive uses real animals. Or you can, buy it from the grocery store, take a close look at it when you get it, and take your chances. Or not, maybe you're not taking chances. I don't know. It's just my gut, no pun intended, tells me that something's weird, and I don't want to get caught up in it.